Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera and Kate. Coming across this channel for the first time, you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and do not forget to click on the bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video and leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? And to all my new subscribers, you are welcome to this beautiful and amazing family. To my old subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for always and always coming back to support me. So guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I've made this delicious authentic bitter leaf soup. See here, this bitter leaf soup is one in town. So delicious, super delicious. Without wasting much time, let me go ahead now to introduce to you my ingredients for this recipe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. So this is what I'll be using: my dried fish. I've already washed and deboned it. I soaked it in hot water for about 3 to 5 minutes and I washed it with salt and then rinsed it out. And this is my catfish head. I'll be using this catfish head. I've washed it too. It's washed. And here is my washed beef. And here my crayfish. Here I have my scotch bonnet pepper. I have yellow and red scotch bonnet pepper. And my washed bitter leaf. This is my washed bitter leaf. So here I have my ogiri. See here, add it, okay? Add this ogiri, don't skip it. It's not optional, don't skip it. Just try and stand the smell because it smells so horrible. This is also known as fermented locust beans. So guys, we are going to start now by cooking our beef, and my meat is frozen. I'll be going in now with my pepper. And then I will add in my seasoning cube. I'm using the ordinary Maggi star. I can't find that Maggi Niger pot. That stuff is too scarce. But I've searched basically everywhere around and I cannot see it. The last time I bought it was at Lagos Island when I went into Mota. And then I'll be going in with my stockfish head. I'll add in some water to cook this meat. So guys, because our meat is frozen, I won't be able to stir. I'm going to just cover the pot, allow it to cook for a few minutes, and I will come back to stir it. So now I'm going to stir the meat, stir everything inside, let it marry very well with the spices inside. So now that our beef has cooked, I'll be going in with my dried fish. I added the stock fish together with the beef because they both takes almost the same time to cook. Okay, their cooking time is just almost the same thing. So now I'll be going in with my dried fish, and then I'll add in my crayfish. I'll be adding in my ogiri now. Please do not skip this, okay? The smell is horrible, but this is what makes your soup to be delicious. Like, it's going to change the taste of your soup. Once it enters inside the pot, you're not even going to perceive that horrible smell anymore. Okay, just add it. So guys, I'll be going in now with my blended cocoyam. You can go in with your palm oil first before your cocoyam, or cocoyam first before your palm oil. Is still the same thing, okay? So I'm just adding in my blended cocoyam now. I'll be adding in my palm oil. So now I'm just going to stir, and I'm going to cover the pot and allow this to cook until the cocoyam is dissolved completely. Guys, if you have watched us up till now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Okay, if you have not liked, please just click on that thumbs up and you have liked. Okay, subscription is free, liking the video is free, and don't forget to also share the video and leave your comment for me. So now I'm going to stir this. Our cocoyam is dissolved, as you can see, and I'll be testing for salt. This needed some adjustment. I'll be adding a seasoning cube now to adjust this seasoning. And then I'm going to stir this properly now, and I'll be going in with my bitter leaf. So guys, I'll be adding in my bitter leaf now. Don't worry, this bitter leaf is washed thoroughly. Like, you're not even going to taste any atom of bitterness from this soup. The soup is not going to be bitter at all. Don't mind the name, is from the leaf, and before you use the leaf, you always wash it to remove all the bitterness from the leaf. This soup is not going to be bitter. You're going to enjoy it once you cook it, as in it's going to be one of your favorites. You will keep cooking it. So now I'm going to stir this. And then I'm going to cover the pot now, and I'll allow this to cook for 2 minutes, okay, 2 or 3 minutes, and we'll come back. Hope you have liked and you are subscribed to our channel. And guys, this is what we have. Our soup is ready. I hope you enjoyed watching. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Have you had bitter leaf soup before? Let me know too in the comment section. So guys, I'm going to be dishing it out, and I'll be enjoying this with my pando yam. Let me know the swallow that you'll be enjoying your soup with. And guys, this is what we have. Our soup is ready. Thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to leave your comment for me. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed. Okay, till I see you guys next time, please stay safe. Bye.